ASUS is known for its quality ZenBook and ZenFone, offering great performance and after-sales service. With so many important files on our devices, backing up before a reset is crucial. In this video, we'll show you 5 smart ways to back up and restore your ASUS device. Method 1. How to conduct ASUS backup and restore with Android Backup and Restore. Backing up your ASUS mobile is a smart precaution. Mobican Backup Manager for Android ensures a complete, stable backup, so you can use your ZenFone with confidence. Step 1. Have your ASUS recognized by the tool. Install the downloaded backup and restore software on computer before you open it. Plug the USB cable that came with ZenFone into the device and the PC. You now need to enable USB debugging on ASUS, and soon you'll get the main interface. Step 2. Choose Data for Backup. Tap the Backup option from the window to commence. Then the next page will list various file types for you. Just tick on any of them you are in need of for backup. Step 3. Choose the data you want. Select an output directory, then click Backup to start the process. Step 4. To restore, click Restore, select the files, and tap Restore again to transfer them back to your ASUS ZenFone. Method 2. How to back up and restore ASUS with Google account. How can I back up ASUS and restore it with Google account? Step 1. Lock ASUS, enable Wi-Fi, and turn on Backup My Data in Settings, Backup and Reset. Step 2. To restore, enable Automatic Restore in Settings, Backup and Reset. Method 3. How to back up ASUS ZenFone and restore it using ASUS Backup app. Step 1. Open ASUS Backup. Read the license agreement. Click Confirm and tap Backup to preview your data. Step 2. Select items to back up and tap Start Backup. Step 3. Open the ASUS Backup app on your ZenFone. Click on the Restore section from the top menu. Then check and select the backup files, and press Start Restore from the bottom right to regain the last backup. Method 4. How to carry out ASUS ZenFone backup and restore with a USB cable-only media files. Step 1. Connect ASUS ZenFone via USB and select Media MTP. Step 2. Copy files from the DSIM folder to your computer. Step 3. Drag files back to the ZenFone as needed. Method 5. How to back up and restore ASUS ZenFone using SD card contacts only. Step 1. Open Contacts, Manage Contacts, Import-Export. Export SD card to save as of a card. Step 2. Go to Contacts, Import-Export, Import from SD card. Select the card and restore contacts.